Good morning. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use EK Success's Ornament Garland Punch. To begin, insert your cardstock. You can use construction paper, cardstock, just regular copy paper. It might even work with wrapping paper. I haven't tried that yet. Just whatever type of paper you might like to use to create a garland. What's very important to remember about this particular punch is you're going to want to apply your pressure in the center of the punch rather than the back of the punch. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, and that will go ahead and punch out 2 ornament pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach these pieces to some others that I've already punched out so you can see how to create the garland. And basically all you're going to do is just hook whichever ends together that you would like. And create a garland with pieces of your own choosing.